Welcome to 4038 North McVicker Avenue in Chicago, Illinois. The old wood siding on this home had begun to rot and the homeowners were getting tired of the maintenance. They also did not care for the look of their home at the time and had always wanted to switch up their siding color to blue. So that's just what we did. For this project, we used James Hardie lap siding in the color Boothbay blue. For the front gables, we used James Hardie straight edge shingle siding in the color evening blue to stick with the blue theme that the homeowners were going for. For the trim, we used James Hardie's Arctic white to break up the blue tones. We installed some aluminum soffit and fascia in white colors as well. And finally, we used TimberTech products for the renovation of the front porch. With the help of high-quality 3D modeling software that our design consultants use to capture the client's visions, and the optimal craftsmanship of our construction crew, Siding and Windows Group never fails to bring their clients' visions to life. If you're ever looking to renovate the appearance of your home's exterior, trust the experts at Siding and Windows Group to help you out. Not only are we the #1 Hardie Elite preferred in Illinois, but we are also #3 in the entire region. What are you waiting for? Give us a call or visit our website to schedule your free consultation today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exterior renovation content like this in the future.